process of starting with this car. We need to run the car up, just get it warm, get it up to temperature, check the water systems, there's no sort of air leaks either, and get it timed up so it's running right as well. So that's sort of where we'll be starting from. So get it running, see where the timing's at. Hopefully it's not too far out. Hopefully it's sort of been statically timed well, and then we can alter it from there really. And just check there's no airlocks either, because we've had, obviously we've only just filled this, so we've got to check it's all running through the heater system as well, and see how it runs, see what the temperature holds at.
Oh, I think there's a mark. I think that's been painted. You look down this side of the pulley.
Timing light. That one there. It's a 10 mil. Ready? No.
The belt's in the bloody way.
You got me underneath job?
We need to find out where that timer mark is and paint it on the front.
Yeah, okay.
Only when the belt's going around, that's blocking the back edge of the pulley and I can't see the timer mark.
All right. Right, I found the time mark on the engine cover as well. So have you seen the engine mark cover? Yeah, on the block. Yeah. Let me know if you need more. All right.
Here?
Oh, right.
Can we get anything on this engine to turn it on?
Second gear, we can just bump it round. Can you see it?
I don't know whether that's a timing mark or not.
Dizzy's loose at the moment as well. I'll loosen that off.
It's 180 out. But if we go whole pulley,
Yeah.
get that back round. So we do it forwards or backwards? What do you reckon?
That's point at number one.
Somewhere.
Yeah. Just
See
there.
that?
Yeah.
See what I mean though, when the belt's there, like, you can't
See it, yeah.
So what we need to do is we need to paint them up on this bit. Right, my way of touch.
Okay.
So like there.
Not the easiest one, is it?
Yeah, check how in line it is with the other mark and also wipe off what's not needed.
What? Yeah.
Right. Oh, we've gone well too far. Tiny bit. Tiny bit.
Right. How are we looking?
There it is, down my side.
Well, that sounds a bit better. Yeah, that's a lot better.
38 degrees.
Right.
The distributor won't stay where
It's at 36 now. What was that? No.
I would imagine with the vacuum off, we'll leave it there. It's going to be about 16 again now. Automatic choke.
Yeah.
And it's got some warmth in it. There's warmth in it.
Hang in it.
I'll take it in there. That'll open. Let the water out. So that'll be the last one.
Yeah. Well, that seems to want to idle there. Yeah.
We need to find out if you can if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Just find out what the timing is.
Okay.
If you can.
Yeah, that's fine.
A bit tinny in there, isn't it?
Little bit, yeah. At idle, 6 degrees.
6 degrees?
At idle, yeah.
It won't idle at 6 degrees.
No, it won't.
Which is why it's a bit... But...
I did prime it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, it should be idle. It's very flat.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's set at, do I?
No. No, we don't know what the car's set at.
That just sounds so metally. Get a bit of crankcase and point on there or whatever.
Yeah.
That metally goes, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, so it needs to go from, yeah.
Right, where's the mixture on this one then?
Well, there's a screw, is there one that side? Okay.
To be honest, the last one I tried to tune up was that one.
Noted.
So there could always be a, I mean, what's that?
No, it's not, that's not sealed, that isn't it?
Turn out. It's difficult to hear what's going on with all the background noise.
Yeah. It's sunny outside.
So put the place over, just check that backfire. Yes.
It's too flat down the bottom end.
Right, I should stall it. All things considered, if I shut the fuel off. Right, so we know that's okay.
We're just starting to build up some temperature. Just starting to.
But was it chucking some out the overflow?
Good question. It's got pressure there.
It's not hot. Is the heater on?
It was on hot, yeah. It's on cold now. Yeah. All right.
It's got air on it somewhere. It's got the air coming out.
Yeah.
Solenoid should stop.
Yeah.
Yep, that works. Good.
Yeah, it's coming straight out of there. It ain't happy. Like that, is it? On hot.
Yeah, but yeah, it's not hot, so you've done that all right. It's quite hungry. You might have to just leave it to cool.
That might be a grip job.
Yeah, I'll just... All of them screws tightened.
Right. That looks dry. Yeah, there's loads of air coming out of that.
You see water passing, can you?
Nope, I don't even see water passing.
Can't even see water passing.
No. No, there's no water, that's dry.
Your top hose is empty now.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Not a lot. We need some more in the radiator, definitely.
Yeah, sure. Alright. Yeah, do it with the can. Try not to pour this everywhere.
Got a tip for you.
Yeah.
That spout comes off. What I do is that.
Sure.
There, yeah.
That's a good idea.
We're at grad school. Let's start up again. Right, got the fat off. Taking everything we put in it.
It's staying at level.
Here you go, look. That's fine. Steam. We have steam.
Good.
Water in it.
Good. Cap off.
Leave it on, otherwise that will never get here.
Right.
Needs to build up sort of pressure. It's right there.
There's a lot of free play before it does anything. I mean,
Yeah, that arm's moving in that clip, you look.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. It needs some
We'll
kind of...
probably have a little grommet in that.
Yeah, probably.
Nice little job for you, that one.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, no, I'm not looking. You also have water out. Oh.
yeah.
Bubbles.
Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. It's getting warm at the top of the rad now.
That's lovely warm.
Yeah. Yeah, that's got some warmth there.
The whole car sounds better now.
Yeah. Where are we? Isn't on the pedal really. Since we've got this running already and timed up, next thing to check is if the gearbox is working. We're getting all the gears and just how everything's running really. So what we'll do is we'll get in it, start it up, get it running, get it idling right, and just check through all the gears, go through them all reverse first, second, third, and just make sure the car's happy really. That's kind of where we're at. All right. So then, go through the gears. Try and bring the thing out. Right, we're in it. Turn it on. Right, find some kind of gear. And I don't know what. Yeah. Right, where's reverse in this thing?
Push the end of the stalk in.
And
then go, I don't know what way it is. That's
that.
Up, down, it might be up.
Up. Right, that's reverse. Got one up there. That's doing something there. That feels like it. One there. Yeah, it's well, it's getting gears. We need to have a little look at the first and fourth D10, just because it's a bit loose. That's about it, really. Other than that, it kind of gets all the gears, goes into neutral. Doesn't feel too bad, actually, going into them. It feels quite nice. Speedo is now working. And that should be neutral. There we are. Well, it gets gears. That's good news. Just seem to not wanting to hold in first and fourth on that detent, on the top shaft detent. So we're kind of trying to have a look at that really. That's kind of the next thing.